So probably I will copy it from here. It's not copying is not happening, so I will probably type it. So rating I will put this one 5 and keywords just uh, sounds. So after that one I will go to this one. There I have to give the address. So, so I will put the address here. So city. And phone number. I will copy this phone number. Okay. And if you want to put some email IDs, you can put, but it is not mandatory. But put the website. Leave all these fields blank. You don't have to write these things. And go to the next one. Next one is GPS. Directly go to GPS. GPS for filling up GPS, you have to go to the map. So in the map page, if you come to this page, you see you have to find longitude and latitude from this URL. So the second number, grab the second number, not the first one. First told 0.95. First grab the second number. Always remember, always grab the second number first. And come here, and that is the longitude. Okay, and grab the first number, then that is the latitude. So always remember, don't confuse this one. For second number should be the longitude, first number should be the latitude.